Amendments to the Monuments Act threaten historical structures. What are the salient features of ancient monuments and archaeological sites remains Amendment Bill, 2017. Why is government keen on bringing amendments to AMASR Act? Do amendments to the Monuments Act threaten historical structures? What are prohibited zones? What is the importance of prohibited zones for our civilizational heritage? GS Paper 2, Government Policies and Schemes. What is the context about? The government has approved changes to the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains (AMASR) Act, 1958 to allow public works near these structures. If Parliament clears these amendments, national monuments will be threatened. Every ancient monuments of national importance are protected under the AMASR Act. The Archaeological Survey of India is the custodian of these monuments. That these monuments are in trouble is no secret. What are the salient features of Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites Remains Amendment Bill, 2017? The main features of the amendments were the creation of a prohibited area 100 meters around every national monument, where no construction, public or private, is permitted. Any construction in regulated area that is 200 meters beyond the prohibited area requires permission of a newly constituted National Monuments Authority. Given the unique nature of each monument, the Act also proposed heritage bylaws for each monument to be prepared by an expert body. Why is government keen on bringing amendments to AMASR Act? Encroachments and illegal construction close to these monuments were happening on a large scale, and the penal provisions in the AMASR Act for endangering ancient monuments were not stringent enough to provide effective deterrence. As a result of the increased pressure of habitation, especially in urban areas, protected monuments and sites were getting hemmed in from all sides. This affected their safety, security and aesthetics. The AMASR Act was substantially amended in 2010 to strengthen several of its provisions. Do amendments to the Monuments Act threaten historical structures? It must be kept in mind that any construction, whether for a public project or private purpose, will pose risks to a monument. It will be all but impossible for the National Monuments Authority or the Archaeological Survey of India to ensure that such construction do not pose a threat to a monument. Allowing these in the immediate vicinity of a protected monument will defeat the very purpose of the AMASR Act and will be a violation of Article 49 of the Constitution. What are prohibited zones? The Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Amendment and Validation Act, 2010 designated prohibited area. It means that at least within a 100-meter radius of the monument, no new construction is allowed. What is the importance of prohibited zones for our civilizational heritage? The above-mentioned problems reveal that, at present, only solid protection to monuments comes from courts of law. Courts prevent constructions mainly using the legal provisions of prohibited zone around monuments. India's monuments form an irreplaceable archive of our civilizational heritage. So it is essential to continue with the 100 meters protected area in order to prevent monuments from defacement, and to prevent the present constructions from displacing the past aesthetics.